Hey guys, today is August 24th, 2018. Let's talk about my stock holdings for the week. It was a good week. The whole market in a whole was good. So for this week, I have 2.67% gain return on my portfolio. And every single fund I have is up. The big one is my speculative fund, which I only have a few stocks in there, but the big winner is Canopy Growth Company. It was up 36% this week, so a very good week. I just wish I had more money in that account, so I could have bought a lot more of that company. But hindsight is always 2020. Glue Mobile, another good one, 13%, and Plug pulling in the rear, and everything else. Dividends are doing good. It's kind of a mix. I guess nothing really to talk about there. Big Money, that was a good one for the week. Netflix kind of bounced back this week at 13%, Nvidia 11%, coming off a down week. I am adding Shop to my portfolio. I added it today, but it just didn't buy any shares. Apple, Amazon, a few others I'm going to continue to add in there. Let's see, anything more? My fund account. The fund, I just pretty much mirror the S&P 500. So obviously this week was an up week, but you're not going to make huge gains on these. So let's see. Goals going forward. I'm going to diversify between dividend funds and big money growth funds, and then I'm going to dabble in the speculative. So I'm going to have a nice balanced approach to my investing. If you want to know, so I'm using M1 Finance is my platform for this account on growing my account. So if you are interested in M1 Finance is great because you can buy fractional shares and no commissions. So you can get into some of these bigger stocks and don't have to worry about being able to buy full shares. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll leave a link below. If you add $100 to your account, you'll get $10 added to your account using the link below. So it's extra, 10% to start your account. And again, this is my portfolio. Please do your own research before investing. Thanks, guys. Hopefully next week will be just as good as this week. And happy investing and stocks. Take care.